Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Graduation Day is always a day of celebration.
Welcome to Citizens Proud National High School graduation exercises with a theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas, Generation of Unity, Partners for New Philippines.
We are your masters of ceremony, Karen Pedrosa Gonzalez.
And I am Darby C. Sinubuhay.
With full hearts and proud smiles, let us welcome the stars of today's celebration, our graduates, alongside our beloved teachers, administrators, and honored guests, our PTA officials, barangay and city officials, and division representatives. Let the processional begin.